Welcome to Inspire Animation, your go-to channel for creative inspiration and animation tips. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of making money online using Canva. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and turn it into profit, you've come to the right place. So let's get started with our first video in the Learn Money Online from Canva series. Introduction to Canva. Before we delve into the money-making aspects, let's begin with a quick introduction to Canva. Canva is a powerful online design platform that allows you to create stunning graphics, videos, and more with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, Canva provides you with an array of user-friendly tools and templates to bring your ideas to life. Personal story. But before we go any further, let me share my personal story. I was a struggling artist, constantly looking for ways to monetize my creativity. That's when I stumbled upon Canva and discovered the immense potential it held for creative entrepreneurs like myself. It became a game changer for me, and today, I want to share my knowledge and experiences with all of you. Explore Canva's features. In this series, we'll explore various features of Canva that can help you generate income online. We'll cover a wide range of topics, from creating eye-catching social media graphics to designing stunning ebook covers, and even producing engaging animated videos. The possibilities are endless. Research opportunities. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make money using Canva? Well, the truth is, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. We'll dive deep into niche research and explore different markets that have a high demand for graphic design services. We'll also discuss the importance of understanding your target audience and how to cater to their needs effectively. Selling digital products. One of the most exciting ways to earn money from Canva is by creating and selling digital products. Whether it's designing printable wall art, social media templates, or even custom fonts, we'll guide you through the process of creating marketable digital assets that customers will love. Freelancing and client work. If you prefer working directly with clients, we've got you covered. We'll share valuable tips on how to land freelance design gigs using Canva. From crafting an irresistible portfolio to effectively communicating with clients, you'll learn everything you need to know to succeed in the world of freelance graphic design. Print on demand and merchandising. Additionally, we'll explore the realm of print on demand and merchandising. Canva seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Printful and Redbubble, allowing you to design and sell your artwork on various products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. We'll walk you through the entire process, from designing your merchandise to setting up your online store. So, are you ready to turn your creative passion into a profitable venture? Stay tuned for the upcoming videos in this series, where we'll dive deeper into each topic we discussed today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any future episodes. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and learn how to make money online from Canva. Thank you so much for watching this first video of the Learn Money Online from Canva series on Inspire Animation. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, your creativity has the power to change your life. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep animating.